Well, hello to all my wonderful YouTube fans. How are you doing today on this awesome kind of day? I'm going to be doing a unboxing of a brand new multimeter, and I actually never used one, and I never had one before. I might need you guys is to help me to figure out how to use one of these pretty cool tools. And the reason why you use a multimeter is to basically check different voltages from DC, AC, or different values of LED lights or resistors or stuff. But we're going to go ahead and go over this as well. But I think this does have some type of a video online. I can look it up. But basically, that's what it is. This is from Lowe's, by the way. It's in this clean shell package. I basically am going to cut it open and take everything out, all the contents, the instructions, and show you what it looks like. But let's go ahead, have a little fun, do some unboxings. Alright, by the way, I never owned and used or operated one of these multimeter tools. This is from Lowe's. It is a very nice multimeter. You can see here is the multimeter tool itself. I don't know what all this means. I'm not familiar on how to use these units just yet. And yes, I'm basically a noob of this type of tool. But you're going to need a very sharp tool to open this clamshell packaging. Basically, we have some very nice clear English instructions on the back here to how to use it, I guess, but it also has instructions as well. And by the way, I did save your time of me struggling with opening this package. Gonna crack this guy open here. First, we have your manual. I guess these are your leads or your probes. I'm not 100% sure what those are. And here is a alkaline 9-volt battery. Put that off to the side if you choose. Get the rest of this open here. Get the meter out of here. Come in. Yeah. There we go. Well, sorry about the mess, but there's the meter itself. Kind of cool. I did forget, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver to open the back to put the 9-volt battery in. And do yourself a favor, please read your instructions when you get any type of new tool related item. Okay, time to take out these screws. There's also a hidden screw right over here. These are pretty in there tightly though. Tulps. Very, very nice design. There we go. Look like we have some type of anti-steel device. And we have two fuses on the bottom. I think one is rated for 600 volts AC. And one is just your standard voltage, I guess. But I'll find all that out in the booklet. Let's go ahead and put the battery in. Okay, very tightly. How's this battery going here? Alright, I'll be right back. Well, I finally got the 9-volt battery in here. Let's go ahead and take off this protective film thingy here. Put that off to the side. Not gonna need that now. And let's go ahead and take the twist the tie off of the red and black leads. Yep. Those are very nice leads, actually. Pretty cute. We got some caps. Take those off. I guess the black goes here in the common section, and this guy goes here, I guess. I guess those are no. I don't know. Kind of seems a little strange not pushing all the way in. I don't want to break this unit because, like I said, it's new to me. Yeah, that's cool. Let's go and put it to the test leads here. See what it does. No, I'm gonna have to figure this all out and see what I'm doing wrong. I don't know. This is all new to me. Alright, I got everything basically hooked up and ready to go to test this 12 volt dead silver acid battery. But do yourself a favor, please read your instructions before you decide to do any type of testing. Now, I'm going to put this and test it with this unit. Instead of using the 600 volts, 200 volts, I'm just gonna put it basically to 20 volts. Let's see if I can get any type of reading off of this battery. The battery is somewhat saying 10.34 volts. I know you guys can't really see it, but I'm going to try my best to bring up the multimeter here to kind of show you. I'll take my black lead, just kind of hold it here. If it would stay, that'd be kind of nice. Okay, probe this side, I guess. But I know you guys can kind of see it, but no, it says no volts. I'm just having fun. It's very hard to kind of hold the probes and test at the exact same time. But yeah, she's kind of dead, I should say. Alright, let's give you a closer look of this multimeter itself, basically. You can see there's a lot of different information on the sides of the multimeter. We have DC volts, we have AC volts, we have a battery indicator, continuity, and also some ohms over here, basically. But I don't know much about these little units. Basically, I just got this for Christmas. This is absolutely a brand new unit. I don't know much about this system. Now, it does tell you what type of fuse you use in this guy. We have a 200 milliamp fuse, 600, 10 amp fuse, 600 as well. That's very nice to know in case if you need to replace the fuses on the system. Alright, I'm going to try my best and test this out on low voltage items versus AC items, but it can be used for AC as well. Alright, tubes, before you all laugh and say, hey dude, you don't know how to use a multimeter, well, first of all, I'm a noob of this little units right here. I honestly don't know much about these units and how the actual supposed to function. Okay, this is a very nice tool for any beginner who wants to learn on how to test different voltages, stuff like that. But This unit I got for Christmas, and it's a very awesome little unit, and I will learn how to use it the proper way on all sorts of different things. I basically want to use this more for batteries instead of just AC, but you can also use it for AC as well. It does have a couple different strobes. That's kind of nice. Sadly, it didn't come with a case to basically put it in, and I like it. I think it's a good tool for anybody to get into different projects. But, alright, if you're still joining this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Please leave a nice comment down below on how to properly use this. Please like, please share. Peace out. Bye guys and girls. Hopefully see you in the future vlog. Catch you later.